Hi, welcome to Sennder Iberia. Let me show you how our office looks like. Maybe one day this could be your workspace. Are you coming with me?
The office is insane. We have plenty space for our meetings, also for our workshops. The building is in a great area.
We are located in one of the best neighborhoods in Madrid. And this is also really cool because we can do a lot of team buildings, we can have fun after work.
The thing that I like the most at sennder is the diverse and the multicultural team that we are. And now in the summertime, the after party here because we can enjoy the good weather of Madrid.
I think the most thing I enjoy about sennder is my coworkers. They're actually more than coworkers, are actually family. Also, all the benefits that the Iberian office can offer us, like for example, the meals, health insurance, all these benefits obviously helps the coworkers to get more engaged with the company and actually get more motivated to work at sennder.
For me, the best thing about sennder is how we are transforming the logistic transportation industry by using tech.
So the vision at sennder is to digitize the road logistics industry, and I believe that the Iberian market presents a unique opportunity because we have the second largest carrier network in Europe.
Working in a tech startup took me out of the box with a new perspective on transport market. sennder took me as a part of the family from the very first day.
All of us are building a great company and it's just growing really fast. Everyone is just collaborating to that. You grow with the company and learn from the company.
Sennder is becoming bigger every day and it's like being part of the revolution in logistics.
I would encourage someone to join sennder because they will have the opportunity to work with an amazing, talented and diverse team that is trying to disrupt an entire industry.